It is about time that we ban horn strobes from all schools. I'm sorry, but they're just very loud fire alarms. Yeah, they scare a lot of people when they go off. And I'm autistic. And an alarm like this with the horn would scare me when there's a drill. And they could cause me to go deaf. They pop my eardrums. And they scare me when they first go off. It's about time to have speaker strobes or chime strobes in schools instead of the horn strobes. The horn strobes definitely do shred your ears. Yeah, they're just too loud. I'm sorry, but they're too loud. Especially if they are in the classroom. I mean, in my school, I would cover my ears every day that there's going to be a drill. I'll cover my ears in the classroom because the alarm is right in the classroom and it's really loud in there. And I don't want it to scare me when it first goes off. If a teacher doesn't tell us that we're going to have a drill, and all of a sudden out of nowhere, I'll go, I'll go all crazy about it. Yeah, and I would, and I would, and I would be bad at school if that were to happen. And my behavior on days when the drills happened was pretty bad. All because of the type of alarm that there is. It scared me and it caused me to be bad in school. I mean, if the school had a chime strobe or a speaker strobe instead of the horn strobe, then I wouldn't have aggressive behaviors during the days of drills. I would not have aggressive behaviors on the days that a fire drill happens. Yeah, this is why the horn strobe type of alarm must be banned from the schools. They scare me when they go off unexpectedly. And And on fire drill days in the past, always had a bad report from school because I misbehaved in school, all because of the drill and the alarm. If if that is how I would act when a drill happens, then the horn strobe type of alarm must be banned from schools. Yeah, it's about time to ban the horn strobe fire alarms from all schools. If my school had chimes or speakers instead of horns, then fire drills would have been more pleasing to the ear. Reason why many kids with autism are scared of fire drills is because many schools have the horn strobe type of fire alarm and it's very loud. Yeah, yeah, it's about time to ban the horn strobe type of alarm from every school.